Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Adobe Marketo Engage effectively. So first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Marketo. Okay, and then we have this first website. So all you have to do is to click on this one. That's right. And then you just have to select your language. And then we have the sign in option right here at the top or the get started option. So when you tap on the get started option, okay, so I'm just going to select English. Okay, so I'm just going to close this one. After that, you just have to input right here business email and then your country, so you'll be able to start with the Marketo. And then here we have the pricing. So if you want to get the pricing, all you have to do here is to tap on the get pricing option. Okay, so since we can really access the dashboard, what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the benefits or the features of the Marketo Engage. Okay, so again, the Adobe Marketo Engage, it's often just called Marketo, is a B2B marketing automation platform by Adobe. So it helps businesses attract, engage, and nurture leads, then pass high quality prospects to sales. So let's start with the profiles and audiences. So here you can build highly targeted audiences, create precise segments for campaigns with automated capture and continuous enrichment of lead and account level customer profiles. So maintain complete and up-to-date customer profiles, update profiles based on engagement across channels and campaigns, leverage native CRM integrations to keep sales and marketing data in sync, and partition your leads and data for different teams to maintain data privacy. Now, for the omnichannel engagement, so boost reach and engage customers where they are, coordinate campaign across channels, online and offline. So create consistent and personalized campaigns for customers and prospects, execute across email, web, mobile, chat, events, webinars, digital advertising, and more, and then integrate new channels to your marketing mix with ease. And for the personalized content, they can create content that connects in the moment. So powerful AI lets you easily create and personalize content so you can deliver it across channels dynamically. And then, of course, tailor messaging and imagery for each customer while maintaining a consistent brand voice. Use AI to predict the content that will convert the best and test the content variations and apply learnings quickly across channels. And for the campaign operations, so improve operational efficiency and scale. So leverage marketer design rules, generative AI, journey agent, and user-friendly tools to simplify and automate the complex marketing tasks. So build multi-step campaigns through an intuitive canvas to streamline deployment. Create campaigns that automatically adapt and respond to customer behavior and data changes, and clone successful campaigns and assets to drive faster time to market, and then automatically update field values and lead scores. Now, for the sales intelligence and engagement, increase sales productivity and performance. Align marketing and sales around the best leads and accounts and enable sales with buyer insights and engagement tools. So connect to CRMs bi-directionally with native integration that keeps systems and teams in sync, and identify the best fit and most engaged prospects for different offerings with sophisticated lead scoring. And of course, deliver buyer engagement data directly to sales in the CRM so they can tailor every customer conversations and equip the sellers with templates, email, and chat tools to directly engage your accounts at scale. And for the marketing analytics, optimize marketing ROI and business impact. So, out of the box dashboard, customizable reporting, and multi touch attribution give you deep insights into what's working within your campaigns. So understand every marketing touch points, impact and revenue, review campaign performance across channels and content, distribute learnings and insight across teams to refine every element of the marketing strategy. And of course, you can create email template. So the latest and upcoming innovations for Marketo Engage. These cutting edge features offer updated efficiency and let you deliver modern customer experiences. So, an updated email designer to um, create more engaging emails, generative AI tools for authoring emails, landing pages, webinar summaries, and chat responses, and a native connection to Adobe Express in the email designer makes it easy to design and edit high quality content, and a live and on demand webinar engagement dashboard for real time insights, and a CRM sync dashboard with ongoing updates, and an Adobe Experience Manager Assets Cloud Service integration to streamline asset management and content delivery, and a chat based meeting scheduler for landing pages that lets the customer book their own appointments. And for the Adobe Marketo Engage use cases, so we have the customer lifecycle engagement. So AI driven workflows keep your customers engaged after the initial purchase, increasing usage, customer retention, and lifetime customer value. And align sales and marketing, so maximize revenue and deliver exceptional customer experiences by aligning marketing and sales teams with unified strategies, cohesive data, and consistent messaging, and cross channel personalization. Create relevant and consistent customer experiences across channels to remove buying friction and accelerate the customer journey, improve marketing efficiency, and increase deal velocity, and improve marketing impact. So make confident marketing investment decisions with shared insights and accurate marketing attributions. So the Marketo does, again, in simple terms, lead management and nurturing. So track prospects, score them based on behavior, and send targeted follow ups. And for email marketing, build, automate, and personalize email campaigns at scale. And then marketing automation, and create workflows, so triggers, rules, actions that run automatically. And account based marketing or ABM, so target and engage specific companies, not just individuals. And analytics and reporting, it measure the campaign performance, ROI, and customer journeys. And for CRM integration, seamlessly connects with Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and others. And again, if you are B2B companies, mid-sized enterprise organization, marketing teams focus on long sales cycles, lead scoring, and automation, then this tool is for you. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.